Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin and Ethereum and I'm going to show you technical analysis. We're going to try and predict the movements of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button down there and turn on the bell, turn on all notifications and follow the steps down below to learn how to do this, how to set up your charts, how to trade and how to trade on Bybit. The links are in the description and the pinned comment. Let's jump into the technical and Bybit until the 31st, so in 2 days, has a free $1,000 trade and you can get up to $30,000 worth of bonuses. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, straight into Bitcoin. Yesterday we had a pump up. Yesterday I had a long open and I closed it around here and then it shot up. I opened the short, but then I announced on the video that I closed the short because I thought it would pump. It looked like it would pump after the video I shared in the Telegram. Now, we're at this strong resistance line. You can see here on the hourly, Bitcoin keeps coming up here, hitting this resistance, and getting rejected, hitting this resistance, most likely getting rejected to come back to 25,000. However, this pump happened just now because it looks like the US government is going to receive, they're going to get the debt ceiling passed. They're going to open up the debt ceiling. On the hourly, we're overbought. It is climbing. On the 15-minute, we are climbing. We have this trend line here. We're currently climbing up this trend line. And I would say that we're through, and this is one of the resistance line also on the 15 minutes. So this is the channel we're in on the 15 minutes. On the hourly, you can see we're coming up to this bigger resistance. And on the 4 hourly, this bigger one, which would be here, this is the resistance here at 27,700. I think because of this debt ceiling news, we can get a pump on there and then get rejected. But we'll monitor it closely. If we just look at this, we're in an Elliott wave count, I would say. We've got a kind of Elliott wave that from the bottom down here at 16K, one, could say that's the 2, 3, and this is a bigger move. And then this is the correction, maybe to here. And then 4th wave here. That's what I think will happen to Bitcoin. But it is holding here. It got a double bottom bounce at 25,000. So it is holding. So we've got to see if these waves continue. I would say that it will break through here because of the debt ceiling news to 27,900. But again, we're at this resistance line on the 4 hour. You can see multiple touches. So most like if it can't break through, it'll get rejected and come down to 25K. So we need to wait to see what happens here, whether it breaks through. Then if it breaks through, we can go... you could short here with a tight resistance, so you could go short. On the hourly, we're also overbought. So what could happen, two trades you could take here. You could go short from here. I would go short from here, from this resistance, because so many times it's been rejected here at this 27,500. You can see multiple times getting rejected, but it is attempting again. It is a resistance line. On the hourly, okay, if I zoom out to the 4 hourly, it's still in this descending triangle, which usually plays out like that and then breaks out. So right now it's at a descending triangle. We also have this very strong resistance line here on Bitcoin that pulls down. We're in this bigger channel, but I think it could break out here just because of the debt ceiling. So the debt ceiling is 4 hourly overbought, hourly very overbought. We're overbought on a lot of time frames. You can see here as well. Okay, we could go long, take a long just to stay in the longs at the moment to that, and I would open the trade a little bit under where we are right now onto these supports. There's a very strong area of support on this line. So I would open the support there, stop loss under the weekly, and take profit at the white line, 5.3 risk to reward ratio trade, opening the trade at 26,916, stop loss 26,691, take profit 28,000, 5.3 risk to reward ratio, risking 225 to make 1,204 without leverage, with 10x leverage 12,000, 100x leverage $120,000 of profits. That's the trade I'm going to open on Bitcoin right now. So opening 26,916. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video in the description, you can follow these steps. Take the crypto mastercourse to learn how to set up your charts and trading. Sign up to Bybit to get that $30,000 free bonus and a free $1,000 trade, and join the Telegram group where you can all trade and learn together. It's a free Telegram group, and you can watch this free trading video where I teach you how I'm doing this. So those are in the description of the video, step 1, 2, 3, 4. So Over on Bybit, in this account, my IOTA trade is $10,000 in the profits now, $10,111. If you've been following this video, I put in $20,000 in this trade and made $10,000 so far. It's a $97,000 trade, up 50%, which is beautiful. If you've been following my trades here, in this account, I have $287,000. I've got $42,000, almost $43,000 of MCRT, one Bitcoin in here, $17,000 of Uniswap, up a little bit today. I've got FXS up a little bit. I've also got 12,000. I'm going to buy another $1,000 of FXS at the current price. Buy $1,000. Also, I'm going to open this long on Bitcoin. So I'm going to do a $500 trade because I want to do less. I want to do not so strong of a trade here because of these resistances. So I'm going to do $500 trade with 10x leverage. Actually, I'll make it 20x leverage, $500 trade with a tight stop loss. 20x leverage, $500 trade. Opening price at, where I said in the opening price, 26,916. 26,916. My long from yesterday would have been much better to keep it open actually. 26,916. Take profit is going to be at 2812. 2812. Wait, 28121 and stop loss 26691. 26691. So I'm risking 26691. 26691. It's too little risk to reward. Risking $4 to make $21. So I got to up the number of. Okay, confirm, but I got to up this order. I think it's in order by value. Let's do order by cost. So then this trade now, order by cost, it will be order by cost. Let's do $500. And then so this will now risk $81 to make $437. Confirm. Open long. It will open the long at 26,916, 0.363 Bitcoin, $9,700 trade, isolated 20x leverage, take profit, stop loss set, confirm. That trade is now set on Bitcoin. I've got more buy orders for IOTA, but IOTA is not pulling back here, which is interesting. But I've got a lot of buy orders for IOTA set going down, so I'm gonna. But it doesn't look like it's pulling back at all, which is interesting. My IOTA trade again is up $10,100 in the last few days, which is beautiful, 50%. And I've got that Bitcoin trade set. Let's jump into Ethereum trade now. So that's my trade on Bitcoin. And then once we get to this resistance, then we have to watch what happens, because either it breaks through here, Bitcoin breaks through here, and it doesn't come down to this white trend line at 25. It just breaks through and pushes up. So we're going to watch what happens at this $28,000 mark. This is good news for Bitcoin, this debt ceiling raise. Let's go into Ethereum now, and then I'll do IOTA because I want to see what IOTA is doing. Ethereum 1,848. Ethereum looks bullish here, turning up as well on this debt ceiling news. This inverse head and shoulders got rejected, so that means it's really good news that we didn't have these inverse head and shoulders play out. On the 4 hourly, we're getting a bounce on this trend line. On the daily, I'm seeing big cup and handle and bottoming formation, double bottom with big volume coming in since the bottom at 1,000 or 700. Inverse head and shoulders looks like a cup and handle. Stochastic is turning up on the daily. On the 4 hourly, stochastic also turning up. We've got this kind of descending triangle playing out here, and it's at the resistance line. Ethereum could go for a strong run right now. If Ethereum breaks out right now, the target will be the base of the triangle, as I teach you in the Crypto Master Course. Target will be 22,300, which if you've been following my videos, I talked about that being the target a long time ago. Do you guys remember when we were buying at $700? I told you my target was $2,300, and now we're very close. If this breaks out right now, Ethereum crypto could go for a strong run. And it looks like it could do this very soon. So I'd go long on Ethereum as well. Opening a long on Ethereum from here. A little bit of a pullback to the supports. Where is the supports? I would say the supports are here. Stop loss just underneath the weekly and take profit at the target. 21 risk to reward ratio trade. Risking $24 to make $507 without leverage. 10x leverage is $5,000. 100x leverage is $50,000. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum on the 4-hourly of heading up, on the hourly heading up. Big pressure now because of this debt ceiling raise, this news of the debt ceiling raise. So just now they announced that they're going to raise the debt ceiling. Also, don't forget on Bybit, you can get up to a free $1,000 trade when you use the link in the description and the pinned comment. So going down below, follow the steps. Start your journey in the crypto world, take the crypto master course, sign up to Bybit, get $30,000 bonus and a free $1,000 trade, and join that free Telegram group, and then take that free trading. And my trade on IOTA is up 9,800. It's set. Bitcoin trade is set, which is beautiful. And I bought FXS just then as well. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my thoughts on the market. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on that bell, and comment down below. Are you buying here? Do you think we're going to be heading up? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.